Why do you do this is the vlog?
What a pleasant surprise. I was just calling to say happy birthday again, and thanks for last night. It's so nice to meet fellow Roger and Shanghai. Chang-Fu. And thank you for the lovely crystal ball. Like it? Well, I love it. I'm admiring it right now. Great. Listen, dear, I really gotta go.
My boyfriend don't want to be on the camera.
What's that?
He's not feeling well. So that one first hand. And shall say later. Or maybe that's enough. Yeah.
Incapable of changing. Here you go. Thanks, Benedict. My own. Anything else? No, I guess not. Love you. Too much lemon juice in all this. Okay, I'm sorry. You should ask Philip for his recipe. I will. You might also ask him who cuts his hair. You don't have to be gay to look nice.
Kain po tayo.
Anyway, I just wanted to clear the air about things. Like what? Well, you know, that stuff that got said a couple of weeks ago, I just want you to know it was Charlie's idea. How I get that? Yeah, I only went along because, you know, he's the older brother and he might have been drunk. Well, I'm just glad one of my sons cares about me. I do. I love you, Mommy. Right back at you. Now skedaddle. Philip and Roger will be here any minute. Oh. Okay.
Gutom ko karon.
Oh. Okay. There they are. Philip, Roger, and Chang-Fu.
Lisod man.
Pictures of me or Jake?
Nana.
I've been asking for a decent picture for years. All I've ever gotten is this spoon photo of Jake where he appeared to be sucking on his shirt. Oh, yeah. They served spaghetti on picture day. Oh, hey, you know what we should do? We should...
Boom, boom, money. Boom, boom, boom.
Well, that sounds lovely. Great. I'll set it up. Terrific. Okay. Bye. Bye. Did I tell you that I love you, Mommy? Yes, but you never tire of hearing it. Oh, well, in that case, I love you, Mommy. I really should stop drinking during pregnancy.
I forget today my apron. I forget to bring. You go with the motor? I don't like it if I will work without apron because if you are using Javel, then it's going through your clothes, especially the pants. I took it out yesterday because I went from the Kinesis, huh?
Actually, it's a picture of me, Jake, and Mom. Mom? Mom, who? She said she didn't have any good pictures of us.
It's good it's finished my Kinesis. It's good that it's finished my Kinesis. I will stop. Otherwise, I cannot save for Philippines. I will go further to do dinner here. Exercise. Otherwise, we go together there downstairs. Huh? Maybe it's more cheaper than the Kinesis. Yeah. You think it's more cheaper?
Oh, Mommy's here. Might as well get this over with. Wait a sec, hang on. You don't change. You actually want to be in the picture? No. You kidding? But it's not fair for you to have to do it alone. family portrait. Their family. Okay, well, I'm going back to bed.
Mga kanin nyo guys.
Picture. I'll be down for a walk inside.
I just love what
Gusto ko ng kawanan. Naghugas isa ko dito sa toilet ha. Ha? No, I'm talking here to my video. Ako ipaliw kay na yun ba niya akong kakapag masuko ka lang magsalang. Masyado niya siyang stricto.
My apologies. Okay, let's take it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Paghapon na akong suwat chicken. Magkaroon na bitches.
Let's see how Grandma likes her prodigy after he sponges up our sponge.
You have to talk while you're doing it. It's like that.
One big brother in the house.
Huh?
Just want a big brother in the house, yeah.
No, he didn't do that. Tapos subo. Kaya ito.
Koffie? Of het bloedjes?
Vertrouwen hebben om tot het effort te kunnen gaan. En als ik u trek, voel ik me onverstaanbaar op de baan. Papa zegt, gebruik panisch om je gouden outfit weer helder te krijgen. Dus doe ik dat. En ben ik iedere keer weer in topvorm. Panisch gold.
Wat kan dat zijn?
Dasplotjes. Net als ons wegje verkeer. Vliegjes, elektriciteit en aardgas vlot tot bij u.
Anti-rimpelcrème nodig. Iofarma. En voilà.
30.000 producten aan scherpe prijzen. Nu